Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Zee and today we will be making pancakes. First going to use 1.5 cups of flour. We will need 3 tablespoons of baking powder. 1, 2, 3. A pinch of salt. Now we will mix the dry ingredients. In a small bowl, we will put all the wet ingredients. First, we'll put 1 egg. We need 1.5 cups of milk. We will pour 1/4 cup of melted butter. Half teaspoon of vanilla. And now you will mix. After making sure we mixed it well, we will pour it into the dry ingredients. And now we will mix them. My mom will help me in this part. We will put some butter. And then we'll flip it on the other side. And then we'll flip it on the other side. For the topping, I'll put chocolate. I'll put some yummy fruits. And now I will eat it.
That's yummy to my tummy.
So good. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.